Ever feel like you're spending hours cleaning messy data or tweaking your model, only to end up running out of time to focus on impactful insights? If you've been there, trust me, you're not alone. Today, we're going to cover 3 simple ways to leverage AI and take your work as a data scientist to the next level. From automating tedious tasks to crafting jaw-dropping visualizations, these tips are designed to save you time, boost your efficiency, and help you wow your team. Tip 1. Automate tedious tasks. Data cleaning might not be flashy, but it's foundational. Thankfully, AI tools like Python libraries or pipelines in PyCarrot can automate those repetitive tasks, from detecting outliers to filling in missing values. Imagine being able to move from raw data to actionable insights on day 1. Want to level up? Use AI to explore your datasets faster. Tools like AI-driven dashboards can surface trends and anomalies without manual digging. Your time is valuable, spend it on the big picture analysis. Tip 2. Enhance model selection and tuning. How many hours have you spent fine-tuning hyperparameters or debating which model to use? AI cuts through that guesswork. Try AutoML platforms. They'll test a variety of models, optimize parameters, and recommend the most accurate fit for your dataset. Think of it like having an AI lab partner. You get better results faster and free up time to focus on interpreting those results, because insights are what matter most. Tip 3. Enhance data visualization. Finally, bring your data to life with AI-enhanced visualizations. Tools like Tableau and Power BI now integrate cutting-edge AI features to create dynamic, interactive visuals. These dashboards not only look great, but also help stakeholders really see the story your data is telling. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 lines of Python code. AI isn't just a tool, it's your competitive edge as a data scientist. By automating workflows, enhancing model accuracy, and acing how you present insights, you'll elevate not only your work, but also your career. Which of these tips will you try first? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Want more tips like this? Hit subscribe, give this video a like, and check out the links in the description to get started.